Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Corals have a wild way of cooling down the ocean using algae and chemistry. Let's break down this feedback loop and find the correct answer fast. First, notice that high water temperatures stress the symbiotic algae. This stress triggers them to produce DMSP, which eventually converts into a gas called dimethyl sulfide that enters our atmosphere. Next, that gas creates sulfate aerosols in the air. These aerosols induce cloud formation, which blocks sunlight from hitting the water, effectively preventing the ocean from heating up even further.